happy with, this turn of events, and all fingers are being pointed at the BJP कि आप पता नहीं हिमाचल में ऐसा क्या प्रयोग कर रहे हैं कि चाहे संजौली मॉस्क का मसला हो, चाहे अब ये वाली बात हो, लगातार वहां पर भाजपा और कांग्रेस एक दूसरे को कंपटीशन दे रही है। आपको दिक्कत होगी अगर कांग्रेस उसी फील्ड पर आकर खेलेगी जो आपकी अपनी फील्ड है?
Deepti, it shows the hypocrisy of Congress and the real face of Congress. Congress is not doing anything new. Congress is always doing the vote bank politics. Now the Congress leadership in the Himachal Pradesh think because of this issue they will get a vote bank. That is the main problem. In all over the country, Congress always think about vote, vote and vote. Nothing else. There is no ideology. By any means, if we are getting vote, that is the ideology of Congress. While the BJP is a cadre-based party, ideology-based party, and we are here for the doing best for the citizen, best for the consumer, and providing the name, displaying the name. I don't feel why. What is harm in putting your name in front of your shop?
I will ask you, Kaushal, a question that we had asked Charu Pragya also. She was on our show just about last evening. We were debating much the same issue. And Sanjay Hegde, who's a noted lawyer of the Supreme Court, he asked one simple question. He said, अगर आप किसी ईटरी के बाहर वहां पर कौन काम करता है उनके नाम लगा देंगे तो इससे अडल्ट्रेशन को कैसे रोक सकते हैं? आप ये बताइए मुझे।
इसका सबसे ब्लेटेंट एग्जाम्पल देता हूं। अभी आपने चूंकि इशू थोड़ा सा अलग है पर बताना जरूरी है। आप देखिए नंदिनी को वहां पर तिरुपति माला में तिरुपति मंदिर में पहले नंदिनी को टेंडर दिया गया था, उनसे लेकर के AR डेयरी को दे दिया गया। गूगल पे जाकर के आप देखेंगे AR डेयरी के मालिक कौन है ये नहीं लिखा गया है, लेकिन फाइंड आउट करने पे पता चलता है कि AR डेयरी के CEO का नाम है मोहम्मद नसीम, अकाउंट ऑफिसर का नाम है रहील रहमान, वेयर हाउस हेड का नाम है लातूर शेख। प्लीज 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 डोंट इंटरफेयर, प्लीज डोंट इंटरफेयर, please don't interfere, please don't interfere. I have not stopped you at all. How I am factually correct. You can go and check.
Kaushal.
Why?
Mr. Mehta, let him complete his point. Let him complete his point, then you can counter him. Kaushal.
Okay. Can you factually incorrect this also? The Salem Devasan Board of Andhra Pradesh have got 17 non-Hindus, in which the 3 are Muslim and 14 are Christians. I have the name. Is it also factually incorrect?
No, Kaushal, what you're doing is you're mixing up a lot of things. You're mixing up a lot of things. Kaushal, I'll ask you that question again. अब आप देखिए, अगर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट पे जाते हैं, नॉर्मली अडल्ट्रेशन, अब सपोज आप वहां पर कोई भी डिश खाते हैं तो उस डिश में जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स जाते हैं कौशल, वो सही होंगे तो डिश अच्छी बनेगी, लेकिन अगर वो अडल्ट्रेटेड होंगे, कंटामिनेटेड होंगे तो खाना भी खराब होगा। तो ऐसे में अगर किसी रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर सिर्फ लोगों का नाम लिखा जाता है कि यहाँ पर कौन कौन काम करता है और ये कौन इसका मालिक है, उससे आप अडल्ट्रेशन कैसे रोक सकते हैं, ये बताइए।
उससे adulteration is not only the physical adulteration or chemical adulteration.
Okay.
It is adulteration of faith also.
Adulteration of faith.
Faith adulteration.
Okay.
You have to, of faith, yes. Because its law is not only the letter, it is letter and spirit both. And if the spirit is wrong, if
but a state, Kaushal has no religion.
Then it is adulteration of my faith.
We must remember this. A state has no religion.
State has no religion. I don't have any issue. But citizen has a religion. Consumer has a religion. Because consumer is getting sold by the government. Our government has got guarantee to provide me. It is my fundamental right to get food of my choice.
Okay, Kaushal, should you be worried that in case this matter goes to the court, Karan, that I think in all likelihood will do, it will be challenged in the courts. Now, we have seen what happened during the entire, order that was put in place during the Kavad Yatra thing. Is this good in spirit? And Karan, how do you see this overall merging of, what the Congress is saying and the Yogi model, and the Congress's Tobra saying we have absolutely no idea, we don't support this?
So at the outset, first of all, Deepti, I have to thank Mika ji. I think he's shown tremendous guts in taking on his own government and stating that he does not stand with Vikramaditya. So this speaks a lot about where the Congress is right now. They are headless chickens, ship without a rudder at the mercy of winds. What happened really was that the Sanjoli mosque, that became a very big issue. In a state where there are only 2% Muslims, this mosque, this entire Sanjoli market area today has become a breeding ground for crime. There are 22 thefts that have happened, 4 chain snatching incidents, 2 abductions, and close to 50 people are there in the mosque even at night. Women are fearing to go out in that market area. So now when Vikramaditya saw this as a rallying political issue, he conveniently changed his secular stance and said that I will follow the Yogi model. And that has been beautifully exposed by Mika ji today on your show. Big statement by Mika ji. He's clearly said it. This was an opportunistic stance by Vikramaditya, and the Congress leadership should proceed to even remove him. He said this. So this is a big breaking on your news, Deepti, to begin with. Secondly, you said the state has no religion. Well, guess what? Here in India, we have a halal economy, which is $100 billion worth. Nobody talks about it, where it is strictly for one religion. And there, the halal certifying agency is Jamaat-e-Ulema-e-Hind, which fights cases for terror accused. 700 terror accused are being protected by the Jamaat-Ulema-e-Hind, even accused from 2611, 711 Pune Bakery. Where are we heading with this? You know, this is a law that needs to come in, and the Supreme Court also needs to respect the domain of the executive, because people need safety in terms of food. They need that trust, and the government needs to act on it. And I welcome what the Himachal Pradesh government has done.
Okay, so Karan says, I welcome what the Himachal government has done. In fact, welcoming what Yogi has done. And Mr. Mecca, we will watch what the Congress does next. Is this just running with the hare, hunting with the hound on national television, or there is more to that story? Only for word of time, gentlemen. Ashutosh, apologies, I'm not able to come back to you, but we'll track the story. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us.